Hello viewers, I'm here once again with an amazing chicken nihari recipe. Before moving on to the recipe, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel Learning Made Easy Peasy. Press the like button if you like the video and hit the bell icon so that you can get all the recipes as soon as they are uploaded. And don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Moving on to the recipe, we need 2 medium to large onions sliced. I'm going to pour 150 ml of cooking oil in a deep pan. Heat up the oil and add onions to it. Stir fry them on medium-high flame until they turn light brown. I'm going to stir it continuously so that the onion won't burn. This is a very easy recipe as I'm not going to use too many spices in it. Now you can see the color of the onions have changed. I'm going to take out half of the onion on a blotting paper. The blotting paper will absorb excessive oil. After adding water, I am going to mix it. Now I am going to add the flour mixture that we have already prepared. I am going to cook it on high flame until the gravy thickens and reach the desired consistency. Our chicken nihari is ready. I am going to add freshly chopped coriander leaves, green chilies, and some strands of ginger. Enjoy eating chicken nihari with naan. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Please subscribe to my channel Learning Made Easy Peasy. Press the like button and hit the bell icon so that you can get all the recipes as soon as they are uploaded. Thank you.